and you're watching the CMS Broadcast. Today is April 3rd.
Welcome back from spring break.
No.
What's wrong?
Spring break is over.
Yeah, but did you do anything over spring break?
Well, I did go to the beach. That was fun. Still wish it was spring break for a little bit longer.
Guess what?
What?
The 6th graders are going to Oregon Coast for an outdoor school in about a month from today.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I remember when I went, it was awesome.
Remember, phones need to stay turned off and put away during school hours.
And Chromebooks are not allowed to be taken into the commons. This also applies to the chess club too.
Today is the end of 3rd quarter. That means 83 days left until summer break.
I can't wait until summer. It's gonna be great.
We only have 3 days of school next week due to parent-teacher conferences.
That means conferences will begin on April 10th from 12 to 8 p.m. and April 11th from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Congrats to Graceland, Natalia, Bronwyn, and Alyssa for qualifying for the OBOB state tournament. They will soon complete later this month.
Congratulations! Okay, you ready for the character of the week?
Yep.
Okay, drum roll please. Quasi from Octonauts.
I love Quasi. He's my favorite character from Octonauts.
Octonauts was my childhood show.
Me too.
This is the update on Jackie and Shadow, the eagles that are nesting in Big Bear Valley. Their eagles continue to get bigger.
Especially their feet and wings.
Did you know it's National Pancake Day tomorrow?
No, I don't, but if you did not have a chance to eat a pancake for breakfast, you better eat some for dinner.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat pancakes for dinner.
I didn't know it was National Pancake Day, but I have a joke.
Go for it then.
Did you hear about the angry pancake?
No.
He flipped out. Here are the requirements for the 8th grade field trip. No more than 3 minor infractions and no major infractions starting May 12th until the end of the day of the field trip.
Students must be passing 5 out of 7 classes, which means you cannot earn a failing grade in more than 2 classes. The final grade check will be on June 9th.
I think that's all for the CMS broadcast. Bye!
Wait!
What, did we forget something?
Tomorrow, it's National Pancake Day, so
Okay.
what did the pancake say when it wants to say bye?
What?
See you on the flip side. Bye! Oh!
Okay.
Where?
Okay.
It's like weird because the C starts and then it like,
Wait, do it.
yeah.